Okay, girls, we're going to call this play 41 because there are 4 girls here, 1 girl up at the top, and this is a defensive play. This will be fun. I like this play a lot. It's a zone, so we're going to say that if the ball is home or right up here at the top, this is what we will look like typically. Notice that it's not very clear, but their number 5 is right there. If we're in this situation, this is about how we look. The ball passes to here. This girl comes up. This girl comes out just a hair, not too much. She's kind of opened up like this. And then this girl would come right in here. This girl would drop down just a hair, and this girl would also cover the high post. 41 is kind of like our softer version of this. There's a more aggressive 41, and we'll call it 41 blitz, but for now we're just going to focus on 41. This is the basic, this is how it would basically look. If the ball were to go to the corner, this girl comes all the way out. This girl should be here, and she'll drop now to here. This girl will drop even further down. This girl will come she will come all the way over, and this girl will drop and have offside or backside help. If that's if there's like no defender here. If there was a defender here, it'd be a little different. We'll talk about that over on the other side. But as it's reversed back out, this girl just jumps back down. This girl would jump back up. This girl would come up slightly. This girl would also come up slightly. And then the girl that had gone from here to over to the opposite block will also come back over. And then it looks the same on the opposite side. There shouldn't be a whole ton of movement, but I think that if we run this play, I think that we are quick enough to cover the corners. It is everyone's responsibility. Like if you're this girl and there's a girl in the corner, you have to close out and deny her from shooting. We should not have anyone that just gets a wide open shot on the perimeter. If we flip over to this side, this is just set up just a little differently. They got a post and a high post. Let's say the ball's here. This is basically how we look, except for we'd want these girls to have their hands out to where this pass isn't easy. Let's say this girl passes it over to 2. The ball's now here. This girl's going to come and get in front of 4. This girl comes over. This girl, we'd want her to be denying 5. And this girl, if there's no one around her, she can just be like right here in the paint. If the ball is reversed, back all the way over to 3, this girl comes up. This girl should be still right here if there's nobody here. But let's say that they send 5 over to the opposite side. This girl will pick her up, and this girl will be saying baseline, 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 at which point she will come here. 1 will drop down and deny the high post, and then 2, or this girl right here, will be coming into the paint area. And if she were to skip it back over to 2, this girl would have to close out. This girl would need to come underneath and be on the opposite side of 4. And then this girl who was here is going to need to come back over into this area. So we will practice this, but this play is called 41. And again, this is more of our like conservative 1-2-2 zone. That's what this is a 1-2-2. But we're just going to call it 41 again because there's 4 girls here.